Hi, good morning. Have a nice and lovely day. You are once again with Mudassir. English with Mudassir. In the previous lecture, I talked about what are the points one must keep in mind while changing active sentences to passive sentences. वो कौन से पॉइंट्स है जो बंदे को उस वक्त जहन में रखनी चाहिए जब वो एक्टिव को पैसिव में चेंज करने जा रहे होते हैं. Let's have a look. So only transitive verb can change to passive sentences. I discussed transitive verb in lecture number 3rd of level 2nd. You can watch it. Subject to object. Subject will replace the object and object will replace the subject. दोनों अपनी जगह को exchange करेंगे. By will be added as a passive agent. Be, SMR was verb be, been. Been will be the form of be plus third form. जब भी आपके साथ ये चीजें plus third form of verb आ जाए, it should be considered passive sentence. Being will be added with all perfective tense. And being with present and past continuous tense. Future continuous tense cannot change to passive voice. Here are some cases of pronouns, subjective cases and objective cases. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. I will change to me. We will change to us. You will change to you. They will change to them. He will change to him. She will change to her. And it will change to it. In today's lecture, I will be talking about how we can change simple sentence to passive. हम present simple को या present indefinite को passive में किस तरह change कर सकते हैं. If you don't have subscribed my channel, so first subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So let's begin. And today's lecture is about present simple. Present simple is the first aspect of present tense. So we will look at the structure. The structure of a tense is very much necessary while changing it into direct to indirect or active to passive voice. Got it? So here I wrote all the structure of different tenses: positive, negative, interrogative. I already told you positive are those tenses in which we do something. Negative are those sentences in which we cannot do anything. And interrogative are those sentences there must be a question. So let's have a look. Positive sentence, subject plus first form of verb plus rest of sentence. Rest of sentence means it may be complement or it may be object. Look at the first sentence. She breaks a cup. She breaks a cup. First you will check the break. It is a transitive verb or intransitive verb. So I already told how to check the word intransitive and intransitive in lecture number 3rd. So it is transitive. So we can change it. Object will come in the place of subject. A cup. ISMR will be added as a helping verb. A cup is third form of verb. Broken. By will be added as a passive agent. By. She will change to her. So her. A cup is broken by her. This is the passive sentence of this one. So the I buy books. You will check the word. First thing, you check the word. It is transitive or intransitive. It is transitive word. We can change it. I buy books. You will put up object को subject की जगह लाएंगे. Books. यहाँ पर object है, यहाँ पर subject बनेगा. Books are. Why we are using are? Because it's plural. Are. Books are. Buy, bought. Third form of verb, bought. Buy is a passive agent. I in place of me. I will change to me. Books are bought by me. Got it? Now coming toward negative sentences. Negative sentences are those sentences in which we cannot do anything. जिसमें हम काम नहीं करते. Subject plus does do. The structure of present simple negative. First form of verb, rest of sentence. Rest of sentence means it may be complement or it may be object. The structure of passive, negative passive sentence of present simple. Subject is in are plus not. Third form of verb, rest of sentence. You will check the sentence I do not play hockey, where it is transitive or intransitive. It is transitive in this sentence, so we can change it. Object will come in place of subject. ये object subject की जगह आएगा. Got it? Hockey. We will put helping verb according to the subject. Hockey is not played. Played. Third form. Played. By is a passive agent. I told you. Me. I की जगह me हम लगाएंगे. Got it? In place of I, we will put me, because it is the objective case of I. He does not kick the ball. He does not kick the ball. Check the word. It is transitive or intransitive. It is transitive. You can check. I already discussed it in lecture number 3. He does not kick the ball. So object will come in place of subject. The ball. According to subject, we will put helping verb. Is not. Got it? Kicked. Third form of verb. By is a passive agent. He will change to him. The ball is not kicked by him. He will change to him, because him is objective case of he. Look at the interrogative sentences. Interrogative are those sentences in which we ask a question, there must be a question. जिसमें एक question सवाल पूछा जाता है. Do does will be you know that do does will come in the start of interrogative sentences. I already discussed these things in level first. All the tenses in detail. You can check where is there. Do does subject. First form of verb, rest of sentence. Sign of interrogation is very important here. So you will check the structure. Is, am, are will be the start of sentence because of interrogative. Subject, third form, by the passive agent, and rest of sentence. Does she pluck flowers? Flowers. So flowers are here because of plural. We will use are in the start of sentence. Are flowers. Look at the structure. Plucked. By is a passive agent, and she will change to her. Got it? So the last sentence is, do they play cricket? Check the word. That is transitive. We already discussed it in a negative sentence. Do they play cricket? So we will use subject in place of object in place of subject. Cricket. Is, am, are will be put according to subject. Subject की जगह हम लगाएंगे, मुताबिक लगाएंगे. Cricket हमारे साथ is a singular आता है, so we will put is. Is cricket played. By is a passive agent, and they will change to them. Got it? Is cricket played by them? And note one thing, do does will change to is, am, are. Is, am, are will replace do and does in passive structure. If you have any question regarding present simple, passive, so you can ask in comment section. Like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Take care of yourself.